Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering the essentials: a 360 degrees camera or a smartphone with a panoramic app, a stable tripod, and a charged battery. Sign into the Google Street View app now so uploads map to your account. Once done, verify GPS and location permissions because accurate coordinates make your imagery useful. Take one test panorama to confirm exposure and stitching. If it misaligns, change mount height or enable HDR to reduce blur and improve fine. Now you move through the route capturing steady, evenly spaced panoramas. Walk at a steady pace and trigger panoramas every 5-10 meters on roads or at each room center indoors so images stitch smoothly. Make sure your camera height stays constant. Mount to a tripod set to the same level. This keeps horizons stable across frames. Also overlap visuals by roughly 30% and avoid motion in the scene. These practices improve alignment and reduce stitching errors during processing. Finish by reviewing each panorama for stitching mistakes, exposure issues, or incorrect horizons. Make small edits when needed. Then upload using the Street View app, assign precise pins on the map, and add descriptive metadata so viewers understand context. Once published, Google may take 24-72 hours to index your imagery. If something looks off after publishing, reshoot affected frames with extra overlap and a leveled tripod. Then replace only those panoramas to resolve alignment or blur problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.